Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. When you will marry, friends. Some of you requested this reading. Here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe the channel, subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share, friends. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you watch it, it will help and resonate with your situation. So, friends, in this reading, we will take a look when you will get married and what's really blocking your marriage, or what will happen, when exactly it will happen, what will happen around your marriage or before your marriage. So some of you were asking it, what is really blocking, or when you will be getting married, or when you will find somebody, a long-term partner. So here it is now, friends, and yes, make sure to subscribe, click the bell icon. So let's take a deep breath. Today's choices are beautiful. Let's take a deep breath and choose option number one, this beautiful lady with curly brown hairs. This lady in yellow dress. It's a yellow kind of a dress, curly hairs. Option number two is this angel in purple. So friends, relax, take a deep breath and choose option number three, this angel with red dress. So take a deep breath and choose option one, option two, option three. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section, friends, so you can directly skip to there. Also, you can choose more than one option, or you can watch the entire reading, friends. Yes, it is up to you. If you feel drawn to two, you can watch the entire reading. And friends, make sure to subscribe, like and share. Let us see option one. When you will get married? Let's see that. Okay, I need to find some space for my cards now. Lots of decks here. You don't want the cards to fall out, right? So let's find some space. So let's see, friends, option number one, those who chose this beautiful angel with the curly hair or lady with the curly hairs. Let us see when you are going to get married. Self-acceptance. Beautiful card. I think this is about self-love. This is about you falling in love with yourself, and you finding a partner that really enjoys you and accepts you just as you are. Without judgment or anything, this person will, your person you will marry is someone who loves you just as you are and finds you very exciting. So these are your oracle messages and advice. And let's see your tarot now. So friends, right now you're definitely going through some difficult time phase. Right now you're going through some difficulties. It feels like you are, pile number one, I'm getting two messages here. Some of you are going through really financial issues, financial worries. Like you are feeling like your finances are not secure, so you cannot focus on your love life or any other area of your life. You have to focus on work, career, setting up, especially if you are a guy, you might be feeling a little stressed out about your finances, and you might be feeling it is acting as a block to get married, because you do need financial stability, man or a woman. We do need financial stability. When it comes to we don't need it, but like it's an added advantage if we are financially secure before getting married, right? So I also feel that for others of you, I feel it is not finances that's a block right now. It is actually trust issues. You guys are feeling like you will never find somebody who's worthy of you, or you have always been unlucky in love, so that is acting as a block, because you are like, nah, whenever I find somebody, they just ditch me, block me, ghost me. I just never find anybody rich, worthy enough. Or you are feeling like there is just plain nobody to match up with the expectations. You have been unlucky, so somewhere there is this energy of disappointment. and you wanting some hope, some relief and faith in your love and marriage situation. For some of you, I also feel, friends, somebody from the past has really disappointed you. They have made you like, maybe you had been married once, it didn't work out, so you are like, nah, completely. You are like, oh god, it's a task, marriages don't work out. People just leave, people just don't care. So you some, or maybe you broke, some of you had a, some, because of circumstances, a relationship broke off, or engagement broke off. So some of you are really suffering and recovering from that phase of life. So yeah, that's actually a block. But for most of you, I feel it is work and career. Like, you feel your destiny is so important that it has started to act as a block in your love life. Or your finances are in a state right now that your career needs so much attention that you can never really focus on your love life. So let us see what else. I also feel right now, friends, some of you are actually recovering from a loss of a relationship, also, or loss. Some of you are planning to leave something behind, friends, and that is another thing that is acting as a block in your marriage right now. Like, you will get married when you have recovered from a past partnership or a past breakup, or you will get married when you have changed a home or left a city or a country and moved to something new. So you have left the past behind and you are going towards something new. That is exactly the time when you are going to get married, and it will be a beautiful time. Like, it will be, you are actually moving forward towards a honeymoon. Look at that, there is a moon, there is sweetness in this. The pink dress reminds me of a honeymoon. You are going on a date. So I feel right now you may be disappointed, but don't lose hope, because I do see a marriage coming for you in the future. I also feel right when when things are breaking up or things are going bad in your life and you're disappointed, that is exactly the time when things are going to get better for you in your future. And also, when you decide to move ahead in your life and you decide to make some important changes in your life, that's exactly the time you're going to get married or find the destined partnership for you. Another thing is, you may be feeling like, you have a lot of achievements to make right now. Like, your focus is on your destiny, your future, your career. So you are like, there is so much to achieve. Where is the time for love? So some of you are giving up on love or marriages. Some of you are like these self-confident, liberated kind of people who just don't, you feel like there is no time for love, or love is like a losing battle. Like, love is 3 cups and other things are 8 cups. Like, in love there is, you may or may not win, but at work, in other places of life, your winning is more sure. So somewhere that energy, like, you don't need to get married, or you are very independent right now, so those things are affecting. So when you will get married, I feel when you will get married, when you will be having a new start in your life. Some of you could be relocating, some of you could be shifting, some of you could also be starting a new job or a career. That is exactly the time when you will be getting married and settling down. I also feel that some news or messages will be coming your way, and these news or message will be important for your marriage. Some of you could be getting a job proposal or a business idea, or a collaboration, or some of you could be going abroad for work or for studies, and that's exactly the time you will meet the person you are destined to marry, or that's exactly the time you will get married. I also feel that your marriage is, right now you are ending things in your life. You are in between phases in your life. That is why this marriage has not yet happened. So in the future it will happen. So we will talk about when, but right now I feel the time frame, we'll talk about that later. But right now I feel you will get married when there is some new excitement coming in your life. Another full moon is here. So maybe you will get married on a full moon, when there is a full moon, or you will meet this person when there is a full moon. And incidentally, there is going to be a full moon just tomorrow or day after tomorrow when I'm filming and recording this. So the day after tomorrow is a full moon. So woohoo, get your intuitive glares, keep your intuition high. You may meet this person in next 2 days, or you may hear from somebody who could be a future partner for you. Ten of Wands. Friends, you will get married when there is freedom from your work. Right now, your work life is definitely taking a center stage. Your focus is work. Your focus is taking care of family, businesses, your life, your destiny, your career. There is a lot of pressure on you right now, and you feel like you have no time to manage everything. So there is a burden on you, friends. You really feel burdened with certain things like responsibilities, career, finances. Maybe you're looking after your family, your parents, or your children, and you are a single parent, so you are a little frustrated about that. Some of you could be single and you are like, oh, all the world's burdens are on me. What am I supposed to do? Yeah, that's exactly, when you are free from these burdens, when you are free from these restrictions, that exactly the time you will get married. Another thing is this marriage, whenever you will get married, whenever you will get married, the marriage will help you to lift off burdens from your life. It will help you to bring balance in your life. It will help you to bring a new new love, a new sense of peace and hope in your life. Right now it is actually missing. Two of Swords. Another thing I'm feeling is like some of you are even confused should you get married or not. Or some of you are confused about the past person or somebody new you should get married to. So there are two people you are confused about. Like, should I marry this? Should I marry that? And that is acting as a block. That is the reason you can't marry right now, or you are not getting married because of this confusion. Another thing I'm feeling is some of you are like you are not sure whether you really want to get married or not. You feel a bit of hesitancy right now. You feel like you are emotionally not ready to get married or mentally not ready to get married. So there is some hesitancy. Your mind is saying one thing, your heart is saying another. So there is some hesitancy about this, and that's the reason you are not getting married right now. Eight of Pentacles. Yes, I do feel that the eighth month, August, will be very important for your marriage. You might get married in August or in the fall season, August, September, October. I also feel that you could be getting married to a person who is born in August, September, November. So these months are very, very important for you. I do feel that the hard work you are doing right now is going to pay off. You are working on yourself. You are working to make yourself a better human being. I also feel some of you also feel somewhere that you are not worthy of receiving love, because there is this confusion, will people love me, will people accept me? Yes, they will. You have to accept yourself. People already accept you. Start accepting yourself. Be proud of who you are. If you are choosing to work right now and put aside marriage, it's perfectly fine, because you are investing in your career, you are investing in your skills, you are investing in yourself, making yourself proud. So that is perfectly fine. When the timing is right, the marriage will happen. Some of you may be judged because you are very independent, you are very hardworking, you are very ambitious at your career. So some of you are like, your family, friends judge you, like, why don't you go for a wedding, why don't you get married, why don't you settle down? Also, I feel like these things will happen for you once your life is a little in balance. Right now there is a lot of focus on work, on career, on polishing your skills, on learning self-love, on becoming the best version of yourself, and also being independent. And it's a wonderful energy. Once you enjoy being independent, that's exactly when you are going to get married, because life works in antagonistic ways. Irony, life is an irony, like when you are ready, like, I don't need love, love comes in. Exactly, friends. So that is how life is, friends, at least most of the time. Like, you wear a new dress and you are like, oh, it should not rain today, and by god, it will rain that day. So that ways life works. But I feel like you guys are working on yourself. You are making yourself beautiful. You are developing, building your trust. You are building faith in yourself. You are building yourself financially, emotionally, and that is going to attract the most amazing partner in your life. And that will be the time. It will be a destined marriage for you. I also feel it will be somebody new that you will marry, not somebody from your past. Although I feel you want somebody from the past, or the person you currently know, you want to get married to them. But the person you will marry is someone who is very hardworking. They will really appreciate you. They will really know that you are a diamond. They will value your hard work, your they will accept you just as you are, and in fact they will know that you are a diamond. They will love you much more than you love yourself, and that will be amazing gift for you. And that is why it is okay if you are taking right now some time to focus on yourself. The Six of Swords, yes, your life. I think some of you are like, no, love will never come my way. No, love will come your way and things will move forward. I do feel your love life or your marriage situation is stuck since a very long time, like 2 years, 2 months, 6 months, 10 months, 10 years, 2 months. So, 2, 6, 8, I feel 2 months, 2 years, 6 months, 6 years, 8 months, 8 years. Your love life, your marriage situation has been stuck, but it will move forward, friends. I also feel that you might marry somebody who lives somewhere away from you. They could be from a different religion and country. They could also be someone living at a distance from you. I also feel this person is somebody who loves water, is an expert swimmer, or they could be very much interested into swimming and scuba diving. They love water. They could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or a Virgo, Taurus. I feel they are Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Aries, Leo, Sag. Also very strong water energies there. I do feel they could be a water sign, or they have their moon sign in water. So very emotional, very caring person. And look at that Six of Wands. When you will get married, friends, you will feel like this is the perfect thing and you have won a victory. You have achieved the lifetime goal. You have outdone yourself. Actually, this is the reason you are not getting married right now, because when it will happen, it will feel like the victory of your life, the ultimate success of your life. So do not worry. And this person you will marry, they will actually treat you like this beautiful person. They will actually feel very proud of yourself. They will feel very proud to have you by their side officially. And also they will be very vocal about their expressions of love, of passions toward you. I also feel the person you will marry, this person will be highly very popular, and also very successful in their life. So when they will come in your life, you will feel like, yes, you are also successful, they are also successful. So there is a meeting of the mind and soul. There is a mutual understanding there. So let us see what else. Who, pile number one, who they will marry. Wildflowers, yeah, someone who is a little wild, like they are someone who is extremely trustworthy, someone who is very sweet and kind and very giving, but at the same time they have a wild streak. Like they are very passionate, they are extremely sexual with you, they love the way you look, and you will blush when this person will compliment you or just simply look at you. I think you are going to melt in their arms, friends. Trust me, there is a strong sexual connection between you and your person, and it is not only sexual, it is also emotional and romantic. And also, this person is a little wild, like they like to go scuba diving, trekking. I yeah, I feel this person could be someone who is already there eyeing you, waiting for you to make a move, or waiting for the right time to come near you. Also, this person could be someone who is an eye doctor or an eye surgeon, or they could be a doctor, they could be in intelligence or telecommunications. Also, this person could be someone in the public eye. As I told you, they are very successful. You could also be in the public eye. You both could be famous people. So there is this harmony. That is why if you are focusing right now on your career, it's perfectly fine, because the person you will meet is exactly like you. They have gone through a similar journey. Let us see what else. The snail, yes, your love life is moving slowly, but it will move ahead surely and steadily. So do not worry, you are not stagnant, you are moving in the right direction. Cat, yes, self love is going to help you in getting married. So keep loving yourself. Do not doubt yourself. Do not feel like you will not get married, you will not find anybody. No. Positive things, believing in yourself, and self love is what you need right now. And women holding a coin, Yes, I do feel the person you will marry is someone extremely rich. They are extremely successful. They are also someone you can really rely upon and depend upon. Also, look, they might be having a cat or a dog, because there are two cats here and both of them are black. So maybe you both are cat people, and you might meet this person through cats or through dogs. Like through your pet friends you might meet this person. Also, before meeting this person you might get like a cat crossing your path, or you might adopt a cat or something like that will happen. So that energy is also there. So let us see how this marriage will be. Oh my god. Oh my god, the cards are seriously jumping these days. It even frightens me sometimes the way they jump out. Regret. Oh my god, this could be someone uh, who has a crush on you, the person you will marry. This could be someone who has a crush on you. There could be someone from your work or career you will actually marry, because they regret that they were never able to tell you, like a school friend whom you were never able to tell, who was never able to tell you how much they love you. I know that I cannot change the past. Yeah, it could be that somebody from your past you may end up marrying them in the future, but not right now. In the future, I feel. Worry. Yeah, I feel the person you will get married to doesn't get worried. It is a, again you see the card is purple, so I feel like you are the one who may be the one who gets worried about things, like but this person is like someone who will sort your worries. They have the solution, like they have every solution for your problem. They will help you heal, they will help to clarify your mind. So the person you will marry is someone who has seen tough days, but they have overcome them. Envy. Yeah, I do feel that you guys will be a very powerful couple. You guys will be power couples. There will be a lot of love, there will be a lot of caring, a lot of friendship vibes. So everybody might envy this relationship or marriage. In fact, if people are telling you to get married or judging you, I think they envy that you are free and you are single and you are happy and you are shining bright. So somewhere there could be envy at work also. But I feel that you will marry someone who is very, very beautiful and who understands you and respects you a lot and is very fair and honest and loyal to you. So that's a great energy. So the main question is when you will get married. That was our main question. So I feel the months are August, September, October. Then when you will get married. The year, I feel like you will get married in the next 1 year, because I do see you are working on something right now, and as soon as you achieve that thing, there is a very strong chance of you and your person getting married. So 1 year is the time when you will get married. It might not take 1 year for all of you, but that's what I feel right now. Let us see the advice. Oh my god, changes are coming. A huge transformation is coming in your life. And if you are already there, if you are already focusing on changing things in your life, yes, you are doing the right thing. I also feel some of you may be going through other changes in other areas of your life. That is why this marriage is right now not happening, because there are other things happening, like your work is changing, your career is shifting, your destiny is shifting, your family is shifting. So there are other things which need to work out before you get married. Say yes to transformation, say yes to a new you. And that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share, join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, if you choose option number 2, let us see when you will get married. If you chose this beautiful angel in the purple dress, or a beautiful card, wow, this is amazing. It feels like, there is a lot of divine protection around you. Also, there is this psychic, intuitive connection for you. There is something very beautiful about this marriage, and you friends, take a step back. Yes, angels and the universe is with you, especially regarding your marriage situation, so you have nothing to worry about. I also feel the person that you will marry is angelic, or someone very spiritual, highly spiritual. Could be a rainbow child, could be an indigo child, could be a Pleiadian or somebody. It feels they are very intelligent. Let's see when you will get married and who also you will get married. We'll look into details, don't worry. These are your advice cards and oracle messages. We'll pull more cards also, so not to worry. Okay. So friends, right now you are going through a phase where you feel you're waiting for things to come to you. you're really waiting, but nothing is happening. You're really single from a very, very long time. Also, you may be finding some dates, but nothing is materializing, nothing is interesting you. You find like nothing is making you feel passionate or striking interest in you. There is no fire, like somebody that's for you, like you may have proposals coming your way or dates coming your way, but you are like, nah. Also, you're feeling a little lazy about your love life and marriage right now. You're like, okay, we'll do it some other time. What's the hurry? So, also, some of you are taking a very relaxed approach towards your marriage, or you are not even interested right now. You are like, I'm bored. We have done this game, but it doesn't work. Like you have seen, you have dated a lot, but it kind of bores you out now. Like you don't find somebody which is on your frequency, so you are like, I'm bored. Also, some of you may be actually taking a break from your love life, or you're really single, so you are like, oh, I don't want to, you know you're not meeting somebody who is on the same frequency as you are. So some of you could be taking a mini break actually from your love life, or from dating, or from getting to know people, or extra socializing. Some of you are, I'm on a mini vacation. I keep getting that song, I'm on vacation, na 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 na. There's that song which is very, very trending these days. I'm on vacation, na 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 na. I'm on vacation. So somewhere you are like, yeah, I'm on vacation. It's a good energy, friends. Vacation is a good energy. Seven of Cups. Yeah, some of you are not getting what you want in, or who you want in your love life. Like you have options, but nothing interesting is there. You might be having dates, but you are like, nah. Or you might be having a person, you might be in love with them, but that person is not proposing to marriage to you. They are still unsure, they are still thinking, they are still confused, they are still taking their time to propose marriage to you, or even after proposing they are still not sure what to do. They are not taking action. So this is happening right now for you, friends. Seven of Cups, confusion. Four of Swords, energy of rest. Also, somewhere the pandemic or this world situation is affecting you. You are like, we are stuck in our houses, we hardly go out, we hardly meet anybody. So where do we find somebody to get married to? Well, I think online. I do see that you have tried online dating, or you want to try online dating, or matrimony sites, or something like that. Yes, it's on your mind, you're thinking about it. So let's see what else. So when will you get married? I feel you will get married when you will feel very passionate about your marriage. When you will feel passionate about something in life, that is exactly the time you are going to get married or meet the person of your dreams. Because right now, this energy of patience, this energy of, nah, I don't know what to do. Maybe it is in your energy or your person's energy, but I feel the time when you will get married is the right before that. You will feel very excited, you will be very passionate, you will be ready to meet people. You will also be taking charge of your life, doing something exciting, something. You might be learning a new course, a new hobby, or you might be going out ready to socialize. You might be looking, wearing new clothes, looking your best. So definitely you are doing something which makes you feel very passionate, very excited about your life. So that is exactly the time when you are going to get married. I also feel that for some of you, you will get married when some excitement, an exciting relationship will come in your life. Like you are really, really single, you have not met anybody who is matching your frequency or vibing with you, who is like, attracting you towards them. I do feel there will be a person will come in your life that will attract you a lot, and there will be mutual attraction, and that's exactly the time when you will fall in love and get married. So yeah, this person could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I also feel your love life or marriage situation can benefit if you start taking some action, like start socializing, or start like set a goal, like, yes, I want to meet this kind of a person. Start manifesting. That is exactly the time when you are going to get married, friends. Six of Pentacles, yes. I do feel that right now your life is not in balance. There is certain things out of balance in your life, like you have been waiting forever, and destiny has not been a little, how do I say, destiny has not been kind to you, friends. It feels like you have been waiting a while, like 6 months, 6 years, you have been waiting to get married. You have tried, but things never work out. Just when you are about to get married, or you are about to, that enter a commitment, things just vanish. This happened because there is divine timing affecting your marriage, friends. There is going to be a strong soulmate or karmic relationship, and this person is destined for you and them to get married. You guys are destined to get married, and you haven't met that person, and you may have been frustrated already because you haven't met this person yet. But I feel somebody is coming for you, and that will be the person you will marry, and it will be a very soulmate kind of a relationship. There will be instant attraction, there will be a lot of give and take. You might also be work colleagues, or you might be students, like you have studied together somewhere, or you have similar hobbies, similar interests, similar likes, similar dislike. Yes, so that is exactly the time when you are going to get married. Also, I feel some of you are going to get married when you are traveling, or when you are starting to get more outside of your comfort zone, when you are traveling, when you are changing your hair and looks, when you are socializing more, or when you feel more ready to socialize and feel more excited about life. That is exactly the time you are going to get married. Ten of Cups, yes, I do feel that some of you could be getting married to a family friend. Some of you could be getting married to a person whose families already know your family, or your family and their family will end up being wonderful friends also. So there will be like a lot of love in the family, shared activities with the family. I also feel that if you have children, friends, some of you are single parents, and you may meet your future partner through your children. Like, you go to the school, this guy could be a teacher there, or you are the teacher, he comes as a single parent. So there is that thing, you will meet your future husband or wife through your children, or through somebody else's, like your cousins or your family members. So that's a very strong energy there. I also feel that, friends, when you will be getting married, I feel like January, February are important months for you. I also feel July, June, July is on another, May, June, July are another important months for you to get married. You might get married in May, June, or July, or you might marry someone who is born in May, June, or July. April is another good month, I feel, for you to get married. I also feel that some of you could be waiting for, you may already have somebody you want to get married to, but family is not saying yes, or there is a third party. That is the reason you guys can't marry right now. That thing needs to resolve, the family situation, or the third party needs to go away. So you are waiting for that to resolve. Another thing I'm feeling is you will get married, uh, when your family can come. Maybe you already have decided to get married, but because of the world situation, you guys can't travel or meet your family, so the marriage has to wait. So that can also be there. I also feel the person you will marry, friends, is someone very homely. They are someone very with who has very good family values, and this person is extremely romantic. Also, you guys have a shared karma or a soul purpose together to get married and raise some children. I do feel the children you will have from this wedding or marriage will be extremely gifted. Another thing is there will be an instant attraction between you and your person. Three of Wands, yeah, I do feel, friends, when you will get married is when you are focusing on expanding your life. When you are bored and you are ready for expansion, ready for change, that's exactly the time when you are going to get married, friends. When you are ready for a new person, or for some settling down, or for change, yes, that's exactly when you will get married. I also feel you might get married when you are getting a promotion or some sort. Your success, your career is at a successful, you're very successful at your career or in your life. You are feeling very happy and content. That is exactly the time you will get married. Another thing I'm feeling is, friends, you may be waiting for another person to get married. That's why there is delay in your marriage. Like, you are waiting for another family member, or like your person is waiting for you to meet them so they can get married to you. It could be a long distance connection. So there is, I'll be honest, friends, there will be certain wait involved. Even after knowing the person you are going to marry, there is certain wait involved, but after that Once the wait is over, things will move very quickly. It will be a very passionate connection, a very very sweet relationship. I also feel you might have children very quickly because there is a lot of love. There is also, you might have a big joint family, or there will be a lot of friends, a lot of family there. Knight of Pentacles, yeah, the person you could marry could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. They could be someone who works with you, who is your boss or a colleague. I also feel this person could be someone you have studied with, or in the future you are working together with. I also feel the person you will marry might take some time to decide and say yes, and they might confuse you and frustrate you for that because they take their time while deciding. They are not somebody who decides like in a quick and like just go for it. No, because marriage is a big decision, they will take some time to decide. Ace of Wands, yeah, but this marriage will be very very exciting for you. There will be a lot of passion. You guys might have similar goals. You guys might wanna, you have similar needs with this person you will marry. Like you guys feel the same, think the same, you want the same things from the future. So this is a very successful marriage. There is love, there is emotion, there is passion. And even though if you I feel this is I feel this is somebody like, there will be an instant attraction, with this person and you, and there might be delays, but once things start rolling, it will be a quick marriage. It will be quick marriage, quick happiness, quick children, quick babies, quick everything. Before you know, you're pregnant and getting married. I also feel there might be a chance that you are pregnant before getting married. I know some of you will be triggered by that, but please don't. Sometimes it happens. You may not plan it that way, right? You may just, you guys might get married because there is like you guys are intimate and there is sexual chemistry and there is passion. Before you know, something happens and then you guys might get married, like let's get married now, woohoo. But it will be a very positive thing. It will be a lot of celebration there. It's not something that you will not like or not enjoy. It will be something that you will actually welcome. And times are changing, so keep an open mind. Don't be judgmental here. Let's see who is the person you will marry. Pond, yeah, very giving person, very loving person. I feel this person might be having a beautiful house, very very beautiful. They have a good sense of taste, aesthetics. Good sense of taste. They might also be uh, having a pond at their place, like a water fountain or something. I feel they might be very rich, or they have parents who are very rich. Also, this person could be living right where you are. They could be your neighbor, they could be from the same city or country, or they might have lived where you live, but for job they have traveled somewhere else, shifted somewhere else. The glove, yeah, I do feel that this person is someone who will keep your hand, held your hand through the good times, through the bad times. They will never give up on you. I also feel this person will never make you feel like you are the only person doing everything. They are always there to help you out. And wow, knife, I feel this person is extremely good with household work. They could also be someone who is a chef, who is into pastry making, or they could be a surgeon, a doctor, a healer. They could also be someone who uses sharp tools, like engineers, machineries. They could be into machineries, or they could be a merchant, like a businessman also, who makes cutlery or something like that. Apple, yeah, could be a doctor, a physician. Also, this marriage will be very healing. It is full of passion and love. And skull, wow, I do feel that this person you will marry is highly intelligent. They have a very sharp brain and they look really good. So there is a lot of excitement, a lot of chemistry. Also, I'm getting like, you may meet this person at medical school or a medical college, or in a hospital or somewhere, like you go for a yoga or something, because there is a lot of healing energy here. So you may meet your future partner somewhere, like you go for a healing retreat, you go for a yoga class, or you go to a college, medical college, and there you meet and get married to this person. So something like that. So how your marriage will be, let's see that. Mushrooms, lot of excitement. I told you this is a very steaming, exciting relationship. There will be instant attraction. Also, this person might be psychic or intuitive, or they might be into psychedelic things like psychedelic music, psychic trance music, psytrance music, psychedelic. Because I told you this person is very intuitive. You remember this card? So you guys might be having a very telepathic union. This person could be your twin flame, I feel. Wall, yeah, friends, you will get married when you remove the walls from your heart. There are certain walls from your heart, or in your person, there are certain walls there. So you need to get over them. And there is a song also, I have built a fortress around your heart. So you should listen to that song. So let us see how your person will be, how your married life will be. Adversity, I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. Yeah, I feel the person you will marry will never let go of you, even in times of challenges. They are someone who sticks with you through the tough, through the good times, through the bad times. As I told you earlier also, this person is a toughie, like they are sweet, but they are a tough also. They are a tough person also. Surrender, I can release my need to control. Yeah, I do feel like you want to get married with somebody else, friend. So you need to release that thing right now. And also, yeah, you will marry someone who is in service. Maybe they are a doctor, they are a civil servant. Not we should not call them servants actually. That's not a correct way of saying things. So service, yeah, they are giving their service. They could be a nurse, a doctor, a cop, a police person, an administration or something. They are giving their time and services so that others can work and sleep and do their thing. I feel good when I can help others. So this person is a giver. They are a healer. They could be an astrologer, a psychic, intuitive also. So great energies, friends. Great energies. Let's see what else. Angel of Strength. Wow, nice. So your marriage will be a very strong connection, friends. It will be a very, very strong bond. It may feel like you may have age gap, or there may be like you guys are from different religion, culture. There may be like you guys, fall in love first and get married afterwards, or have a child first, get married later. There you may break certain tradition and rules, but the connection itself is very, very strong. This marriage is very strong. Your bond will be very strong with this person. So the question is, when you will get married. I feel, friends, you will get married. The chances of you getting married are between the next 3 months to 3 years. I feel you will meet this person in the next 3 months, or if you already know them, things will start progressing within the next 3 months, and chances of getting married are in the next 3 months to 3 years. I feel it may not take 3 years for most of you, if you unless you are very young. Like some of you might be young, you might be college students, or you have not yet entered colleges. So then, yeah, it will take you like 3 years. Like you will meet them in the next 3 months, and then finish college and get married, or in meanwhile, like you get to know them, fall in love with them, right? So 3 months to 3 years. Let's see your advice. Ooh, expect miracles. So miracles are coming, friends. Don't lose hope, and stay positive about your love life and keep manifesting. You are definitely going to get married. Let me know if you enjoyed this reading. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, if you chose option number 3, let us see when you are going to get married. Let's see that. Raise your vibrations. Ooh. So friends, this is a very clear message to keep thinking about positive things, to focus on the good energy, to open your heart and to let the good things come in, because I think that's because you see, all this is darkness around you. There is a lot of darkness you can see, but light is coming in. So, yes, if you are focusing on your spiritual growth, yes, you are doing the great job. If you are trying to stay positive, yes, well done. And these are your oracle and advice, and these are your tarot. So let's start with your tarot, then we'll go to this. So let us see when you are going to get married. Firstly, friends, right now you are very busy, friends. Very, very busy. You are busy managing your work, your career, your home life, friends, family, everything. You are going through a very, very busy phase. And also, I feel like some of you are trying to balance your male female energies, like your yin and yang, your heart and mind, body and soul. You are definitely working very hard, friends. Some of you may also be handling two jobs, two positions at work, or you are studying as well as teaching, or like studying as well as working. So there is a lot of pressure. Like you are like, when do I have time? When do I have time? Your life feels like a spinner, like spinning wheel. You're busy all the time. Days just run away so quickly for you, and you are like, where my day went? When So definitely, this busyness is affecting your love life. This is affecting you from getting married right now. I also feel that some of you could be enjoying some success, or some of you are like, you want to achieve a lot in life. You are very ambitious people, so that's a good thing. But it somewhere is making you feel you know, like marriage will affect your career. Marriage will affect your, you know, marriage will affect you, and marriage will somehow block you in some way. So somewhere you are like, should I get married, should I not get married, this and that. Your head is saying one thing, your heart is saying one thing. So there is that constant energy of, should I do this, should I do that, this or that. That is why raise your vibration, focus on the positive, focus on one thing that you want and go for it. Another thing is Seven of Swords. Another thing that's stopping, or that's acting as a block right now for you, is trust issues. I feel there are people who have let you down, friends, in love, in relationships. It could be family. Some of you are disappointed with family. You feel like your family members are working against you, or they just don't understand what you want as a in a person, in a partner. Maybe they don't approve of the person you want to marry. So somewhere you feel like you can't trust people around you. Also, the people you are with, your lover or your ex-husband wife, or your past lover, or anybody, the person you had in the past, someone has hurted you, friends. They have caused you trust issues. So right now you are like, can I trust people? Are they trustworthy? I do feel there is also a bit of gossip around you which you are not happy with. Like, people are gossiping, like, why you are not getting married, this and that. Maybe there are aunts, or family members or friends gossiping. So there is some negative talk, not like negative, there is some chatter, some chatter around you which is affecting you from getting married. So you should focus on the positive things rather than all this that is happening around you. Also, I feel some of you are facing very tough issues at your work. Like, there is too much competition in your love, in your work and career. Some of you could also be facing too much competition in some exams you are preparing. So you are like, I don't have time for all this. My focus is only, it's not like you want to focus on love and marriage, but you can't because you are too busy right now. And you have no other option right now to focus anywhere else. No choice. Five of Cups. So yeah, this is making you feel very disappointed also. Also, you are like, why are people in my family or in my trusted circle only disappointing me? What is wrong with people? You are a little disappointed, friends. I know this is not a fun energy to be, and somewhere people have let you down. People whom you trusted, whether it is family, whether it is friends, lovers, ex-lovers. You may also, someone may have also put you in a third party, which is I know, which is horrible, and you've definitely crying about that, why they did it, why they ghosted you. You're definitely upset about it, friends, and that's acting as a block. But friends, the main thing is, do not give up. The main advice for you is not to give up, to keep fighting, to keep charging ahead, to keep stay positive and keep fighting, because you are going to get married. And you not only get married, you are going to find what you really really desire. Something beautiful is actually coming your way, and that is why it is saying, raise your vibration, stay positive, or stay open, because something magical is coming your way. And let us see what else. Two of Cups. Yes, a beautiful relationship is coming your way, friends. Some of you may actually get love marriages done, or some of you will actually marry the person you are in love with, or you will fall in love with in the future. I do feel The person you will marry, they are very loving, they are very caring, there is a lot of trust, there is a lot of harmony, romance, safety, security in this connection, and there is no even you will not be bothered about this person or other, ghosting you, blocking you. This is not the kind of person who will block you, chatter or gossip about you behind your back. No, the person you will marry is someone you can rely upon. They are a safe haven for you. They are someone you can safely hug and lie to sleep, comfortably go to sleep. This relationship is like a baby who is comforting you, and this you can feel like a baby in this relationship. This person will be very protective about you. They may have a father mother energy, they are protective like a father, they are protective like a mama to you. Barely energy, very caring, very nurturing energy. And yes, you can really rely on this person. They will not, you know I think some of you are frustrated with gossip. You don't like gossip, and also you don't like people talking behind your back, or people who just cannot be trusted, family or friends. You are done with that. And yes, this person is someone who doesn't do that. They don't do gossip, they don't do third parties. They don't like to break confidence of people, trust of people. Nope. Empress, yes, friends, this person is going to treat you like an emperor or the empress you are. Also, you are going to get married when you feel like this amazing empress or this emperor energy. Also, I feel right now you are very, very close to achieving this energy, or being in this feeling like, yes, nothing affects me. You're very close to that energy, friends, of the emperor or the empress. So keep working hard and don't let the other people affect you, friends. Don't let the jealousy and gossip and competition of other people affect you. You might also be competing for somebody's love, like you had to compete for someone's love. But don't do that. You are the emperor. You are the empress. It's not your job to compete. It is your job to shine your light and be who you are. And that's exactly when you will get married. I also feel the person you will marry, they will be very creative. They will also be someone, they could be a musician, an artist, a creative person, a painter. They could also be having a very sweet voice. They also have a very kind face. You will love their smile, and also you will be getting along well with their mother. So very interesting energies. King of Pentacles. Yeah, your person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel a strong Scorpio energy, so this person could be a Cancer or a Scorpio, Pisces also. The person you will marry. I feel the person you will marry, you guys will be perfect for each other. You guys will be like, a match made in heaven. And that is why, angels or the universe is telling you to stay positive and not to get affected by what is happening in the world or what is people telling you. No, don't listen to them. Stay positive. Stay keep manifesting, because this person is coming for you. This relationship is coming, and you have to be in this emperor or empress energy to get this, get them to say yes. So another thing is Queen of Cups. Yeah, this person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel that they are a very loving person and very, very caring. Also, this person could come in your life through your mother, or through your mother's family. I also feel that this person will be extremely caring and protective about you, even more than your mother, your family. So they will be very caring, very loving, and also their mother and family will also like you. And Three of Pentacles, yeah, this person you will marry is somebody who is very, very cooperative. They will love to join you, they will like, let's do this. Shared activity is something very important, like let's play some game, let's play Monopoly, let's play Scrabble, let's do this. And also this person will be an excellent parent, excellent mother, excellent father. And I do feel this person you will marry is good at communicating their emotions, and being bringing fun in life, bringing fun in life. Knight of Wands, yeah, I do feel that the person you will marry is someone who is also very, very futuristic, in the sense they are a go-getter, but in a very positive way, like, they know how to lead and how to follow also. This person will love to follow you, this person will love to let you lead, to be a powerful person. I feel you might be more successful than your person. You guys might become celebrities after marriage, and this person will be like, yes, they are your cheerleaders, they love you, this completely adore you. I also feel there will be some choices for you. You might have options to choose from, so don't worry. You will have options. If other people, if somebody else left you for someone else, you will also have options to choose from when you get married. I feel, if you ask about time period, I feel January, February, and March are important time period for you to get married. Spring wedding is something I see, winter, spring weddings. So like December, January, February, March. February, March is the spring season. It could be in another season for you if you are on the other side of the planet. But generally speaking, it is December, January, February, March. These months are important, or you could be getting married in these months, or your person could be born in these months. I also feel that you might not talk to your person. He or she might be the first to propose you. So this person will come out of the blue in your life. So you have to stay positive. You should not let the negative things affect you. So how your marriage life will be? Who is this person that will marry? Let's see. Oh, the book. So this person could be someone very intelligent. They could also be someone you meet at a work, or they are a teacher in some way. Also, I feel like this person could be someone who is well read. He or she likes a lot of books, or you have similar interest in books. They could be a writer. They could be a publisher. The moon, yeah, I feel this person you will marry, they are extremely emotional, very protective, very caring, like a motherly energy. They have a musical voice also. Ooh, volcano. So you might be opposites, red, like fire and moon, like fire and earth, water, and you guys have some opposites going on. So you might be the opposite sun signs, and there is a lot of attraction. I also feel that you are the volcano, the fire in this relationship, and your person is the emotional one. So you are the fiery one, but they will handle you well, friends, handle you with care. All right, spider. Yeah, you guys have, I told you this person is your destiny, friends. Uh, you will feel that, once you get married, you will look back and realize that yes, everything was destined to bring you to this point and get married to them. So this is a destined connection from somebody from your past life. Praying mantis, yeah, there are a lot of people who are trying to bring you down right now. There might be gossip, there might be exes coming back, people talking about you, friends and family, not letting you feel safe about relationships. But I think you are a peacock, friends. You are very beautiful, you are extremely powerful also, and you are exotic also. That is why people are trying to put you down. Don't listen to that. Keep your vibes high. So let us see how your married life will be. Trust, yeah, you should trust. This marriage will be very trustworthy. There will be a lot of trust between you and them. And I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. You guys will listen to each other's fears, thoughts, love, and everything, and there is a lot of trust with each other. Transformation, I'm learning that endings are merely beginnings. Yeah, some of you will, actually. This marriage will actually help you overcome your fear of trust, your fear of change. Some of you are worried, what will happen if I marry? Will this person stay honest? Yes, they will. Imagination, yeah, there will be a lot of creativity in this marriage. You guys might become more creative after marriage, or you will marry a creative person. Forgiveness, yes, I feel you will learn to forgive people because there is so much love in this connection, and you will feel like yes, life is finally going your way. The garden and the gate. Yeah, I do feel that yes, so you are just waiting for the right person to pop in your life and get married. Yeah. Definitely. So the main question is, when are you guys going to get married? Friends, I feel that within the next 6 months, there is a very strong chance you might get married within the next 6 months. I also feel for some of you it might take 2 years, 6 months to 2 years to get married, because something is going on. I do feel something is going on, and it's a very destined. There is destiny affecting your life, so I do feel in the next 6 months there is a chance you will get very quickly married without any notice or anything. You will get married, fall in love, get married, or it might take 6 months to 2 years. Let's see your advice. Ooh, guardian angels. So your angels are definitely working with you, friends. You are not alone, and even in your future, you are not going to be alone. You will find the people that are perfect for you. You do have soulmates. You have many soulmates, and the one that's perfect for you is coming. So do not worry. Your angels, your guides are watching you, and yes, you are going through a spiritual awakening, which will help you manifest or bring this partner in your life. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.